Oh wow, that's really good.
It's already 1 o'clock, so we're really hungry and absolutely ready for this food tour. Now, we've collated a list of 10 different Polish foods to try, although one of them is vodka, based on recommendations from some Polish friends we have, but also from some research done on the internet. We've already ticked one of the items off our list, pierogi, which are traditional Polish dumplings, and that's just because you've seen us try them twice on the vlog already. I'm so hungry. Let's go get food. We've just walked past a Zapiesek. Sorry, I'm probably completely butchering that pronunciation. Basically, we passed the restaurant that we ate at last night, and we know it does traditional Polish food, and we know it's cheap. So we're gonna make it our first stop so we can tick off a couple of items really quickly and fill our bellies. We're going to tick 2 items off our list here, both of them soups. The first one is a traditional meat broth, this one, and the second one is beetroot soup. I'm not sure how I feel about having soup on such a hot day. It's literally 28 degrees Celsius. But I've heard that drinking something hot can actually cool you down when it's really hot weather. I think that's why people in the desert drink a lot of tea. I may have made that up, but I think that's a thing. Maybe the soup will cool us down. This one's got parsley in it, and I think it's a meat broth. Oh, it's so good. It's basically like a consomme, if you've had that before, like a clear, really meaty broth. And the parsley is a good addition.
Now I'm going to try the beetroot one. I'll be completely honest, it's not one I was massively looking forward to. I'm not the biggest fan of beetroot, but we'll see how it goes. Oh wow, okay. You know when you try some sort of like a new food and then you're not sure if you like it or not? You don't think you do, but you can't stop eating it. It's actually quite nice. We've also ordered Płaki Ziemniaczane, I think I'm probably butchering, but it literally translates to a potato style pancake, really similar to like a hash brown. This one we've got with mushrooms, like a cream sauce and some onions.
This portion is huge. I don't really know how to eat it. Oh my god, that's so good. It basically is like a giant kind of hash brown pancake. Oh, I love it so much. And then like the mushroom sauce is really creamy. I'm very happy with this. We've got coffees, they're not on the list, but we're both really tired and we just fancied a coffee. And now we're heading over to Warsaw's quirky and artistic district, Praga. Since the weather was nice and we wanted to see a bit more of the city, we decided to make the half-hour walk from where we were in the old town to Praga. We strolled down the quaint streets, admiring the architecture, until we reached a breathtaking view of the river.
Warsaw is cut into its eastern and western halves by a wide river. We headed east over the bridge and into the heart of Praga. Filled with Soviet tower blocks, Praga has more of an industrial feel to it.
but it has its own understated charm.
We found another milk bar, so we're going to go and see if they've got any of the foods on our list. Unfortunately, as it's really late on in the day, they'd run out of what we were looking for, but we're going to keep searching. If you're interested in street art and graffiti, head to Praga. We could have spent hours wandering around its urban streets admiring the art, but we needed to focus on finding some of the food on our list.
We've been wandering around Praga for a while without finding any restaurants that are open or that do the kind of food that we're looking for. So we're now heading to a street that my friend Dagmara recommended. Apparently this street has loads of restaurants and street food, and it's right by the football stadium, which is pretty close to here.
I've taken a wrong turn. Definitely took another wrong turn.
We made it back to civilization. There are restaurants here and snacks. This is a complete write-off. That street was great and it had loads and loads of lovely restaurants. Problem is, not a single one of them was traditionally Polish. So not exactly what we were looking for. So we're getting a bus back into the city centre. Hopefully we'll find some Polish food on the way. If we don't, then the vlog might end here. We'll find out. It's getting dark, we're tired and hungry. Part 1 of the vlog is ending here, but we'll pick up again tomorrow. I think the only way to describe yesterday was a complete and utter failure. We wandered around Praga for ages without finding any of the food we were looking for. Luckily, we can try again today.
Last night, after we got off the bus, we actually realised that there was somewhere 5 minutes from where we're staying that sells some of the food we were looking for, so that's where we're going to head now.
It turns out that this restaurant only has one thing on our list, traditional pork cutlets. So we've ordered a portion to share so we can save room for later on.
This looks amazing. I wasn't quite sure what I was expecting when we ordered it, but this is way better than whatever I had in mind. It's a pork cutlet in breadcrumbs and it's fried, and then it comes with potatoes and what I assume is fried cabbage. So I know what potatoes taste like, so I'm going to try the pork. Really hot. That's really good. There's so much flavour that's held in the breadcrumbs. The pork's cooked really well. That was really good. Now we've had some lunch, we're going to head back to the apartment and do a bit of work on the vlog, then hopefully we'll have an appetite for later on.
I'm hungry again, and I found us a few places to go, so this should be a lot easier than yesterday. I know we said we weren't going to get dumplings, but these are different dumplings. They're made with potato, there's no filling in them, and they're served with sausage meat and mushrooms. We also have what Google translated to a cabbage roll. So I thought it was going to be a cabbage leaf wrapped around kind of meat or different fillings, but this one I think is a deconstructed version. Actually, I think we might have got a hunter's stew. Not sure, 1 second. So I thought we were ordering cabbage roll, but we've actually ordered hunter's stew. Hunter's stew is basically a cabbage and meat stew. That was the next stop on our list. It's fine. We've got something that we wanted. I'm going to try the dumplings first, obviously. We have gnocchi quite a lot at home, and it basically tastes like gnocchi. It's just a thick, potatoey, kind of very stodgy dumpling. It's good. Now I'm trying the hunter's stew, not the cabbage roll. I'm not 100% sure on everything that's in the hunter's stew. There's definitely sausage meat and mushroom and, well, cabbage. It came with bread. It's a rich, savoury sauce. I think that would be a really good dish to have in winter when it's cold. I think some of them are protesting, but we're not really sure what it's about because, you know, it's in Polish.
We've looked for ages and we can't find the cabbage rolls, so instead of looking around anymore, we're going to go get some pancakes.
I don't know if these are actually traditional Polish pancakes because they do look like American pancakes, but they're the pancakes that we have, so they're the pancakes that I'm eating. I got chocolate pancakes with Milka chocolate and like a raspberry compote and some creamy sauce, which I think might be mascarpone. Oh my god. Chocolate and raspberry is a great combination. But this creamy sauce is really good. It's like, I think it's like mascarpone, so it's not too sweet, which is good because otherwise the whole dish would be really sweet.
Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. I'm really not sure how Polish they are, but they look incredible. That's so good. Come on.
I am so full.
We have eaten so much over the last 48 hours.
But all of it was really good. What was your favourite?
Probably the pancakes. We were incredibly full by the time we got to eat them, but they were really good. What was your favourite?
Probably the potato dumplings. Like the pierogi, the filled dumplings, they were my favourite overall. But out of the ones on the food tour, definitely the potato dumpling. Now tomorrow we're heading down to that random place in Poland that we picked on the map. It's going to take us 2 trains to get there. One of them we've booked and the other one, well, we're just going to hope we can get it.
Wing it.
I'm sure it'll be fine. It's like a local train.
Because we've got a really long day tomorrow, we're going to end the vlog here and we'll see you tomorrow.
Got my English cheat sheet here, so I know what's what.
Ready?